Hi, it's Red Raven here, and welcome to my channel, my darlings. Today's video, I thought I'd give you a little plant update. Now, I've had to quarantine 2, maybe 3 plants, because I've been seeing little flies, little fungus gnatty things. I didn't have a pesticide at the time, so I did spray it down with some lemon sort of stuff. Apparently they don't like that. But I have got a pesticide now. I have removed my guinea pigs from this room so I can spray the plants down and they will be okay and let it dry. And what we're going to do is we're going to spray all the plants down just to be safe, because I just want to make sure that we got everything covered and everything's going to be okay, because I love my plants, but I also really love my animals, and I want my animals to be okay. So, here is what we are dealing with. Plants are absolutely fine, and they're out of the way. My guinea pigs usually are here in their cage, so they're just above this window, but all my plants are out of the way of my guinea pigs. Okay? They're out of the way. Let's move that over there, I think, for a minute. Okay, so they're absolutely fine. And obviously, I've got my peace lily over there, and my big boy over there. So we're going to spray it down with some pesticide. Now, I did spray this down with some lemon stuff, this one, and I haven't seen anything else on it, but we're still going to spray it down just in case. And with this, I sort of, like I said, the guinea pigs aren't there, and I want to sort of just spray this all down. I'm going to move that actually, and we're going to move that. Let's go and grab that. I'm going to move that into the hole. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. There we go. I don't want anything at all getting that spray stuff on it. But yeah, this is the living room. We're going to get them all sprayed. And like I said, my plants are nowhere near my animals, so they're always there, but they're in a different room right now. But the positive right now, though, is since I've had her home for 2 months, she's now sprouting beautiful flowers. She's doing quite well. And fungus gnats are annoying. They are irritating. They can damage plants, but they more likely eat the soil. Maybe I need to water my plants less, which is my bad. I think they're just really dry, and then I really worry about them. So I need to maybe be less OCD. But again, I'm learning. This is my Birds of Paradise plant, and because I've had my Monstera home for quite some time, he has got his first variegation. Look. First variegation. I am literally so proud. These 2 leaves unfurl. It's taken a week, but I am really proud of how well this plant is doing. This plant's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Another new plant which my boyfriend is bringing over in a minute before we spray the crap out of everything. I got a pothos. I went to a garden centre and I was umming and ahhing over it. It was hidden away under all these other plants. There wasn't getting light. It was a variegated pothos, and I felt really bad. And I sort of like said to the guy, like, it was hidden away across like everything, and it's really dry. He goes, "Oh, do you want it for £1?" I was like, okay, I can't, I can't sniff at that. We'll do that. So I brought it home. I've put it in some new soil because you never know what's living in the soil. You never know. And I've repotted it and I've sorted it out. And yeah. Pothos is doing well. My boyfriend's going to be over in a second, like her up there. And then she can just grow down and it will be amazing and beautiful and very cool with some table. We gotta spray all these plants down just to be safe. Give them 24 hours. 24 hours, maybe 45, maybe 48 hours, depending how I'm feeling about how wet these plants are. And then I'll bring the guinea pigs back in. from the other room. Well, we'll see. I mean, they'll be absolutely fine in the other room. It's just a spare room anyway, and it's not going to hurt them for 2 days. I just want them to be, you know, I want them to be safe. I love my animals, I love my plants, and, you know, being a plant mum, being an animal mum, yeah. You go through the motions, But I'm learning. I'm going to be taking my boyfriend today to Dobby's Garden Centre. I went the other day and they have quite a lot of really cool plants. And I think it'd be really nice just for us to go and have a look around, go and have a look at what's going on. And also because I know quite a lot about plants as well, I can get a little bit irritated when I go to a garden centre and they like clearly haven't looked after their plants. It makes me very grumpy. Like I went to a different pair of garden centre the other day, and they like there was like a plant that was all potted up like for a present ready to go, and it was crusty and there was webs all over it, and there were spider mites, the red spider mites, and I was just like, all of them weren't great, and I was just like, what are you doing? What are you doing to these poor plants? You know, again, still learning. I'm probably unintentionally overwatering them. I'm not trying to. I will literally wait till the soil is literally dried out, like bone dry. But I have had my Monstera like sweat water, which means that they are picking up too much water, so I kind of need to just pump the brakes on that. But yeah, that is my plant update. Remember, you're amazing, you're wonderful, you're unique. Never stop being you, and if you like content like this, remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, my darlings. Red Raven out. Bye!